AI tools are everywhere in 2025, but which ones are actually useful for normal people? Today, we're comparing ChatGPT, Perplexity, Grammarly, and Notion AI to help you decide what to use and what to skip. Let's start with the big one, ChatGPT, the tool that changed the AI game. It's like a super smart assistant that can write emails, explain complex topics, debug code, summarize documents, or even help you prep for an interview, all in a conversational, human-like tone. With the latest GPT 4.0 update, it's become faster, smarter, and more intuitive. Now it can handle images, voice input, and even remember past chats, making it feel like a real digital companion. You can use it for free on the web, but if you're a Plus user, you get access to the more powerful GPT 4.0 and a brand new desktop app, currently for macOS only. Whether you're a student writing an essay, a marketer crafting a blog, or a dev exploring code snippets, ChatGPT adapts to you.
Best for writing, problem solving, creative help. Weakness: free version is limited.
Next is Perplexity. Think of it as a smarter AI-powered Google. It doesn't just answer your questions, it shows you exactly where it found the information, including links to websites, research papers, or even Reddit threads. What makes Perplexity powerful is that it pulls from real-time data, so you can use it for breaking news, up-to-date facts, and deep research. The Discover tab even lets you explore new topics intelligently, like a guided AI rabbit hole. It's fast, clean, and shockingly accurate. If you're a student, researcher, journalist, or just someone who Googles a lot, you'll probably love this.
You can even ask follow-up questions in a thread, like chatting with an AI researcher who never gets tired.
Best for real-time research, trusted info. Weakness, not great for creative writing.
Now, let's talk about something we've all used, Grammarly. What used to be just a grammar checker is now a full-blown AI writing assistant thanks to GrammarlyGO. Grammarly still catches spelling, punctuation, and clarity issues, but now it can rewrite entire paragraphs, change tone, or even compose emails from scratch. Imagine writing an email in a rush. Just give Grammarly a prompt and it drafts it in your voice. It works across Gmail, Docs, LinkedIn, and more, so you could help wherever you write. Ideal for professionals, job seekers, and content writers who want polished, confident communication.
Best for writing polish, tone adjustment. Weakness, not meant for full content creation.
Last but not least, Notion AI, a game changer if you live in Notion. This tool turns your workspace into a smart assistant. It can summarize meeting notes, generate to-do lists, brainstorm ideas, and even translate content. Unlike ChatGPT, Notion AI is baked right into your notes and projects, so you never have to switch tabs or tools. Let's say you have messy class notes or client feedback. With a click, Notion AI gives you a clean summary and even suggests action items. It's a favorite among productivity lovers, remote teams, students, and solopreneurs who want to structure chaos into clarity. Best for note-taking, productivity, project planning. Weakness, limited use outside Notion ecosystem.
Which one should you use? Here's the breakdown.
Let me know in the comments, which AI tool do you use the most? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.